Often overlooked, dynamic stretching is important for everyone, from beginners to elite athletes, and it's about to get the spotlight it deserves. It's not just about flexibility. Stretching plays a pivotal role in enhancing your range of motion, preventing injuries, aligning your posture, reducing stress, and improving circulation, not to mention helping you boost your performance. In this video, we're diving into the essentials of dynamic stretching, showing you how it can fit into your routine no matter your fitness level. Get ready to unlock a world of benefits and transform your approach to health and fitness. Let's get started. Unlike the static stretches where you reach and hold, dynamic stretching is all about movement. It's a game-changing routine that warms you up by mirroring the actions you'll actually do in your workout or daily life. Imagine prepping your body in the most practical way, getting the blood flowing and muscles ready with every move you make. Here's what makes dynamic stretching stand out. It's all about movement. We're talking continuous, targeted actions that get multiple muscle groups ready all at once. It's like hitting the refresh button on your body before you start the main event. Also, there's no need for any external help here. Your own body strength and coordination are what make dynamic stretching work. It's all you, powered by you. But these stretches aren't just random movements. They're designed to replicate the activities you're gearing up for. Whether it's lifting, running, or any physical activity, dynamic stretching gets you prepped and ready to excel. You can expect your heart rate to pick up, your body temperature to rise. Dynamic stretching isn't just about flexibility. It's an excellent way for you to warm up your entire body, setting the stage for an effective workout or active day ahead. Think you have to be a seasoned athlete to take advantage of dynamic stretching? Think again. Here's why dynamic stretching is great for beginners. Ever feel stiff during workouts? Dynamic stretching can help loosen you up, making exercises easier and more effective. It's important for beginners to avoid injuries. This type of stretching keeps your muscles and joints flexible, significantly reducing the risks of sprains. Get those muscles ready and responsive for your workout. It's all about priming your body for the exercise ahead. Feeling anxious about starting your fitness routine? Dynamic stretching also helps in reducing anxiety, boosting your confidence to tackle those fitness challenges. Finally, you can start simple and build on up. Dynamic stretching grows with you, allowing you to increase intensity as you get more comfortable. Dynamic stretching is also great for people who have been exercising for years. It can enhance performance. Dynamic stretching activates those sports-specific muscles, ensuring they're primed for action, which can lead to better performance. It also helps with flexibility and injury prevention. A wider range of motion and improved flexibility mean you can push further without the fear of injury. Most importantly, you can tailor dynamic stretching for your sport. Whether you're into soccer, basketball, or tennis, incorporating sports-specific dynamic stretches can significantly enhance your agility, control, and explosiveness. But what if you're neither a beginner or an athlete? Dynamic stretching still has a place in your routine. It can make everyday tasks easier, improve your posture, and even give you that much-needed energy boost during a long day at the desk. Beyond the physical benefits, dynamic stretching is a fantastic way to reduce stress and elevate your mood. It's about connecting with your body, taking a moment for yourself, and releasing all that tension with every stretch. Here's how to make dynamic stretching a part of your everyday life. Kickstart your morning with dynamic stretches. First thing in the morning, let's get those muscles moving. A quick 5 to 10 minute dynamic stretching session can do wonders. It wakes up your body, boosts up your circulation, and sets a positive vibe for the entire day. Focus on the gentle, flowing movements to get that flexibility going and your blood pumping. Now, for those of you who are tied to your desks for most of the day, this one's crucial. Taking short dynamic stretching breaks can help a ton with muscle tension, keeping your focus sharp, and lowering those stress levels. Here's a pro tip. Set a timer on your phone for your hourly breaks. During these breaks, do some stretches that target your neck, shoulders, and the lower back areas that really feel the brunt of prolonged sitting. Now let's talk about spicing up your workout with dynamic stretches. Start with a warm-up that gets your heart pumping and muscles ready. Dynamic stretches are perfect for this. Think leg swings, arm circles, or even some gentle lunges with a twist. These movements mimic your workout exercises, preparing your body and mind for the session ahead. From there, be sure to sprinkle in some dynamic stretches during your workout between sets. Instead of sitting around, keep the momentum going with some dynamic movements. Keeps the blood flowing and muscles engaged. For instance, if you're doing a leg day, add in some high knees or butt kicks between your sets. And don't forget the cool down. After pushing your limits, slow down with some dynamic stretches to transition out of your workout mode. It helps in recovery, reduces soreness, and maintains flexibility. Gentle, flowing movements allow your heart rate to come down gradually while keeping the focus on flexibility and mobility. Finally, before you hit the hay, let's not forget about a little evening relaxation routine. Dynamic stretching can be an excellent way to ease your body into a state of relaxation, relieve any lingering tension, and significantly improve your sleep quality. Try a calm and easy routine focused on slow, controlled movements. It's the perfect way to tell your body it's time to wind on down and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Remember, consistency is key, and a little stretching goes a long way. Here's how you can truly maximize the benefits of dynamic stretching. First up, setting clear, achievable goals is a must. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with dynamic stretching? Is it better flexibility, injury prevention, or maybe preparing for a specific sport? Identifying your goals not only keeps you focused and motivated, but also guides your stretching routine. Remember, it's all about making gradual progress. So set goals that challenge you but are still within reach. This way, you'll avoid pushing too hard too soon. Now on to tracking your progress. This is where the magic happens. Seeing the improvements over time can be a massive boost to your motivation. Consider taking before and after photos or videos of your flexibility to visually capture your journey. Also, jotting down notes or using a fitness app to log your routines can help you fine-tune your approach. Regularly reviewing your progress ensures you stay on track and consistent with your dynamic stretching. Don't overlook the power of community and technology. Join online fitness forums or communities to share experiences, tips, and motivation with others on a similar journey. But if you ever find yourself unsure about your goals or how to effectively track your progress, don't hesitate to reach out to a fitness professional or a physical therapist. Personalized guidance can make all the difference in tailoring a dynamic stretching plan that's just right for your needs. Here's the deal. Making dynamic stretching a part of your daily life is easy and rewarding. It's the key to a healthy, vibrant body and a practice you can enjoy and integrate seamlessly into your routine. Whether your goal is to boost your athletic performance, maintain your health, or simply move through life with more ease and grace, dynamic stretching is your trusted partner. So take it from us. Regularly incorporating dynamic stretching into your routine will transform not only your workouts, but your everyday life. Your body and well-being will definitely thank you for it. Ready to make dynamic stretching a part of your journey? Let's stretch our way to a healthier, more empowered life together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Catch you in the next video.